Hello there, this is me, Teacher Dyan. I've been teaching since 2015. I have a bachelor's degree in education, a teaching license, a master's degree in education, and I also have a TESOL certificate. I always believe that my students are my energy balls. They make the life of a teacher worth it. That is why I see to it that my class is not just very educational with high accuracy, but also my students are happy. You know why? I do believe that when students are happy, they learn more. That is why in my class, I have a lot of teaching methods. I also have a lot of things that will make my class happy, energetic, and enjoyable with 100% accuracy. Not just for kids, but also for adults and teenagers. Yes, that is why I want to see you in my class. Is that okay? I hope that we will have an enjoyable time and we will see each other in my class. Goodbye everyone. Bye-bye.